green architecture solution for modern townhouses. In today's increasingly hot urban environment, beautiful home is no longer defined only by its modern look, but also by how cool, comfortable, and well ventilated it feels. Viet Tiles breeze blocks offer a smart solution that helps living spaces naturally receive airflow, bring in natural light, and reduce heat absorption, creating a fresher and more pleasant home atmosphere. Beyond improving air circulation and lighting, breeze blocks also add a subtle architectural highlight to the facade, making the building more visually appealing while still maintaining a close connection with nature. This is an ideal choice for those who appreciate a green lifestyle, where functionality is optimized without sacrificing aesthetics. From townhouses and villas to resort projects, Viet Tiles continues to accompany projects in creating durable and beautiful living spaces over time. Each brick is not just a construction material, but also a meaningful detail that enhances the value, comfort, and emotional quality of modern homes.